It's really exciting to be here sponsoring this event for Manufacturing Works today. When we signed up to sponsor the networking events for Manufacturing Works, we had no idea this event was in the works. It's great to see all the recent college graduates here today and see their interest in manufacturing. Although Simplex-IT isn't in manufacturing, we know how important it is, especially in Northeast Ohio, and we love to support the industry. We're looking forward to seeing you guys at the next Manufacturing Works event.
Hi, I'm Marcia Syriac. I am the Membership Manager at Manufacturing Works. Today is the Manufacturing Talent and Technology Showcase. It's been a great event. I'm thrilled at the support that we've had. The generous sponsors, Simplex-IT has always been a wonderful patron for Manufacturing Works and supporting our cause. We had students come today to learn about all the different ways they can have a career and a great livable wage in manufacturing. Can't wait to see you guys at next year's event. Thank you so much.